Hello and welcome to today's video about VMware Horizon View and location-based printing. In today's video, we're going to go over the process of activating the thin print DLL that is required to be able to be used with the location-based printing services within Horizon View. This process also revolves around Objective 2.9 of the VCP DT exam blueprint. So to get VMware to recognize the thin print DLL services, we first need to register the thin printing DLL. You normally get this file as part of your installation if you have installed Horizon View version 5, 5.3, and so forth. But if you have Horizon 6.0.1 or later, both versions, the 32-bit and 64-bit of this DLL, are bundled within a zip file that you need to obtain from vmware.com/go/download view. So we already have this DLL downloaded to our system here. Maybe, maybe not. Let's take a look. So yes, I'm working off of my domain controller in my lab, and I already have the thin print DLL on the local disk ready to be registered. So let's go ahead and step through that. Running the regserve32 process is a simple task that will help get this process going. And there we go, our first error message. So let's try that again, the proper way. Sure, I can change directories, but I like to do it the hard way. There we go. As you can see, the DLL has been registered successfully. The next step is to create an Active Directory GPO or use a policy within your domain that you would like to make edits to or you feel is safe to make edits to. I'll show you what we have set up here. I've created a separate group policy just for location-based printing, and we're going to go jump in there. We'll dig through the group policy and take a look at some of the settings here. As you can see, the Auto Connect map for printers within VMware View is loaded here. We'll take a look at that and open it up. So I already have something in here that I use at home. What you want to make sure is that you have your IP range if you're trying to set it up that the printing is only available within a certain IP range, or possibly a client name or MAC address of that client. For me, I'm directing it to myself, which is not a best practice, but in a small lab environment, it works fine. Best practice would be to use an Active Directory group or a range of IP addresses as to not hit the 999 GPO limitation within Active Directory, which of course we know will not happen in this lab. It's important to point out that the printer name and the printer driver must be exactly as it shows on your print server or the name of the printer device. Misspelling the name or the driver will cause this to fail and not function as expected. You can add another row, fill out the information that you need, or if you've made a mistake, you can remove that row. Excuse me while I do this here. There we go. So once you have those settings in place, you can close your GPO, which will save it. And we'll jump back out of here. You'll see where I have the policy just attached to the OU where my Horizon desktops reside. And that's basically it. This will map the printer for that specific user or group of users and also set it as the default. To learn more about Horizon View printing, be sure to check out the VMware Horizon 6.0 View documentation. You can also review a most recent blog post that I had created for the VMware SMB blog on April 1st. Visit blogs.vmware.com/SMB and look for the blog titled Location-Based Printing, a cool feature of VMware Horizon 6. Also, don't forget to check me out on Twitter at vcenternerd and at my personal blog, nigelhickey.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.